Alright, so for this shot we're gonna need Khalua and Irish cream. Alright, we're gonna start with 1 ounce of Khalua. And 1 ounce of Baileys. Now with the help of the spoon, we're gonna layer it. That's how you make the baby Guinness.